Grooming your furry friend like a pro has never been easier. In today's video, we are diving into the top 5 professional-grade dog grooming clippers 2025, salon quality at home. Whether you are tackling thick coats, matted fur, or just looking for a precise trim, these high-performance clippers will give your pet a flawless finish. Say goodbye to expensive grooming sessions and hello to effortless at-home care. Check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Andis Professional-Grade Detachable Blade Clipper, a powerful tool designed for fast, smooth grooming of heavy coats. Equipped with a robust 2-speed rotary motor, it delivers 3,400 strokes per minute on high and 2,700 on low, ensuring efficient clipping while keeping your pet comfortable. The cool-running smart design eliminates fans and vents that could get clogged with hair, making it more durable and hassle-free. Its detachable blade system allows easy cleaning and provides flexibility in choosing cut lengths for different coat types. The normal speed setting is ideal for precise clipping around sensitive areas like the ears and face, ensuring a professional finish. With a corded electric power source, it delivers consistent performance without interruptions. The clipper's full 14-foot heavy-duty cord provides ample reach, making it easier to maneuver during long grooming sessions. Designed for all hair types, it is a reliable choice for professional and home use. To maintain peak performance, it is recommended to oil the blades before and after every use. The Andis Professional-Grade Detachable Blade Clipper offers salon-quality grooming at home, making it a must-have for pet owners who need a durable, high-performance grooming tool. At number 4, the Oneisall Dog Grooming Kit stands out as a versatile and powerful tool for grooming thick and matted coats. Designed for long-haired dogs, this clipper set features stainless steel metal blades and a high-speed 6,800 RPM motor, ensuring efficient and precise trimming. The kit includes 6 guide combs of different sizes, allowing pet owners to achieve various hair lengths with ease. One of its highlights is the combination of a 2,000 mAh dog clipper and an 800 mAh dog paw trimmer. The main clipper provides an impressive 240 minutes of runtime, making it capable of grooming multiple dogs on a single charge, while the specialized paw trimmer is designed for delicate areas like paws, ears, and the corners of the mouth. Featuring 2 interchangeable trimming heads, it ensures a safer and more precise cut for sensitive spots. The Oneisall Dog Grooming Kit operates at a low noise level of under 55 decibels, reducing the chances of frightening pets and making the grooming process stress-free. Additionally, its IPX7 waterproof rating allows for direct rinsing underwater, making cleanup simple and efficient. A special cleaning brush is also included to help maintain the clipper in top condition for repeated use. The cordless design enhances convenience, allowing grooming anywhere, whether indoors or outdoors. A built-in locking function ensures the device remains protected from accidental damage during travel. With a combination of power, precision, and user-friendly features, the Oneisall Dog Grooming Kit is a professional-grade choice for pet owners seeking salon-quality results at home. Next on our list is the Gooad Dog Clippers for Grooming, an all-in-one professional-grade kit designed for thick coats and precise trimming of sensitive areas. Featuring a unique 2-blade set, it includes a wide blade for efficiently handling dense fur and a narrow blade for detailed trimming around paws, rump, face, ears, beard, and mustache. The combination of a high-quality 33-tooth titanium blade and a ceramic movable blade ensures sharp, long-lasting cutting performance, surpassing standard pet clippers with 24 or 26-tooth designs. The detachable blade system allows for easy cleaning and blade changes, maintaining top performance. Equipped with a 2,200 mAh lithium-ion battery, this clipper offers an impressive 250 minutes of continuous use after just 3 hours of charging. An LCD display provides real-time updates on battery life and usage status, ensuring you never run out of power unexpectedly. Built with QSUS low-noise technology, it operates at under 60 decibels, minimizing stress for pets during grooming sessions. Its durable 3-speed silver PD alloy motor delivers strong power for smooth, snag-free cuts, making it a reliable choice for all coat types. A 5-size fine-tuning knob, adjustable from 0.8mm to 2.0mm, allows for customizable trimming lengths, giving pet owners precise control over their dog's appearance. For added convenience, the kit includes a multifunctional storage case to keep all tools organized and portable, making it easy to carry during travel. Whether for home use or professional grooming, the Gooad dog clippers for grooming provide powerful performance, durability, and versatility, ensuring salon-quality results every time. Taking the second spot is the Wahl Pro Series Cordless Clipper, a professional-grade grooming tool designed for easy and cost-effective pet care at home. Engineered to handle all fur types, including thick double coats on large breeds and small dogs alike, this clipper offers a pro-quality experience that saves both time and money. Featuring self-sharpening precision high-carbon blades, it delivers snag-free cutting, ensuring smooth and comfortable grooming sessions for your pet. These durable blades remain sharp over time, providing consistent performance with every use. The cordless design offers exceptional power without sacrificing efficiency, making it easy to maneuver during grooming. With a 2-hour runtime, this clipper allows for multiple grooming sessions before requiring a recharge. For added convenience, a quick charge feature provides 15 minutes of power for last-minute touch-ups, while a full charge takes just 3 to 5 hours. The lithium-ion battery holds its charge for up to a year without memory issues, ensuring reliability whenever needed. Color-coded guide comb attachments make it simple to choose the perfect coat length for your pet, allowing for precise and customizable grooming results. Designed with a built-in taper lever, it provides even more control over trimming length for a professional finish. Proudly made in the United States with both domestic and imported parts, Wahl pet grooming kits are trusted by professionals and pet owners alike for their high-quality, long-lasting performance. Whether you are maintaining your pet's coat between professional appointments or looking for a complete at-home solution, the Wahl Pro Series Cordless Clipper offers powerful, salon-quality results in a user-friendly package. At number 1, the Oneisall Dog Cordless Clipper takes the top spot with its powerful performance, user-friendly design, and professional-grade results. Specifically engineered for thick coats, this clipper features durable stainless steel metal blades that provide firmer, faster, and easier grooming compared to ceramic alternatives. With a high-speed 6,800 RPM motor, it smoothly cuts through dense and matted fur while minimizing the risk of pulling, ensuring a comfortable experience for your pet. Designed with low noise and vibration, it operates at under 55 decibels, preventing pets from becoming anxious during grooming sessions. The cordless design offers flexibility for both indoor and outdoor use, while a built-in locking function prevents accidental activation during travel. Equipped with a 2000 mAh high-capacity battery, this clipper delivers up to 240 minutes of continuous use on a full 2-hour charge, making it ideal for multiple grooming sessions without frequent recharging. Its IPX7 waterproof rating allows for easy cleaning, as the entire body can be washed under running water. A special cleaning brush is included for thorough maintenance, ensuring long-term durability and consistent cutting performance. The clipper also includes a versatile set of 10 detachable guide combs, ranging from 3mm to 25mm, offering endless styling possibilities for different coat lengths and grooming needs. Whether trimming a thick winter coat or maintaining a shorter summer cut, this kit provides the precision and versatility required for all stages of a pet's life. With a 24-month protection plan and reliable customer support, the Oneisall Dog Cordless Clipper delivers salon-quality grooming results while saving time and money on professional appointments.